Which one? That one? Mommy bite? There go bite.
We were both in the military, serving on the East Coast.
And I came out to the base. I was going to get my gear, and lo and behold, this guy's the one behind the counter.
Waddle.
You good?
Did it.
So 15 years later, now we have 4 boys. So one's 8, one's about to turn 6, and then one will be 4 and one will be 2.
You're doing great. Watch your fingers. Okay. That's good, honey. That's good.
Feeding my family, it takes a lot of food. They need to be fed food that will help them grow their minds, their body, their spirit. We do pancakes, we do waffles, and we do crepes. We use 100% whole wheat. And those come out, my kids don't know the difference. And we actually like them, my husband and I.
Be able to prepare food and have the boys understand where it comes from and the importance of education as well as nutrition. It's a priority to us. I'm glad that she can, that she can do it, but more importantly, that she continues to do it while I'm gone.
Carlos, what did you do?
Garlic. I put in the garlic.
The garlic.
When dad's not home, mom does it all, and it's tough.
Nice, Carlos!
What we eat is who we become.
Banana's my favorite fruit, and carrot's my favorite vegetable.
Good job.
They love to help me cook.
Play Legos.
So I like to give them jobs, and they feel very important. Like for the little ones, you get to take the carrots out, and then the other one gets to cut the carrots. Having them involved in the dinner process, to me, is what's important. It makes them know that we eat our food together, we make our food together, we know what we're eating.
Is that good, guys?
And I have a menu board that I have up in the kitchen where the boys can see it. It goes from Monday to Sunday. We have to do grocery shopping, and I'm kind of, I think, strategic about it. I know my prices, and I know where I'm saving and where I'm not.
Hot diggies, blow it.
I want them to think real and food and like see the source.
Oh my goodness, you're a broccoli monster.
Teaching them the value of nutrition is something that they'll take with them and it'll last a lifetime, as well as hopefully they pass them to their kids as well.
Wow.
I'm Rocio, and these are my family's healthy eating solutions.